Choosing the best console can be tough since everyone has different gaming needs. But once you know what you're looking for, it's easier to pick between the PS5 Pro and Xbox Series X. Both have unique strengths in performance, graphics, and speed. If you're into high-res gaming and fast load times, both deliver. So which one's right for you? Let's find out in this comparison. PlayStation 5 Pro, the next-level gaming experience is here. Ready to take your gaming to the next level? The PS5 Pro is the most advanced PlayStation yet, built for those who crave cutting-edge performance, stunning visuals, and the smoothest gameplay experience ever. If you're a true gaming enthusiast and want to push the limits of technology, this is the console for you. The PS5 was already a beast, but the PS5 Pro takes things even further. With a brand new GPU architecture, you get higher frame rates, ultra-realistic visuals, and insane levels of detail. 4K gaming? That's just the beginning. This console pushes beyond, offering richer textures, improved lighting, and an incredibly smooth experience. Plus, the upgraded ray tracing technology makes games look more cinematic and lifelike than ever before. Storage is another major upgrade. Say goodbye to deleting games just to make room for new ones. With 2 terabytes of storage, you can keep all your favorite titles ready to play. The ultra-fast SSD technology ensures lightning-fast load times, getting you into the action instantly. Connectivity is also getting a massive boost. Lag, forget about it. With Wi-Fi 7, you get faster downloads, smoother online gaming, and rock-solid connection stability. Whether you're playing competitively or just want seamless multiplayer sessions, PS5 Pro delivers. So who is the PS5 Pro for? It's built for hardcore gamers who want the absolute best experience possible. If you demand beyond 4K graphics, ultra-smooth high frame rate gameplay, and next-gen features, this console is a dream come true. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a graphics enthusiast, or someone who wants the most future-proof PlayStation experience, PS5 Pro is a perfect choice. But is it for everyone? If you're a casual gamer or happy with your current PS5, you might not feel the need to upgrade. Also, the lack of a disk drive could be a downside for those who still love physical games. So, is it worth upgrading? If you want the best of the best and the most powerful PlayStation ever, then PS5 Pro is the way to go. But if graphics upgrades don't matter much to you, or you're fine with your current setup, you might be okay sticking with the base PS5. If you're chasing the ultimate gaming experience, PS5 Pro is an absolute beast. Xbox Series X, the peak of power and speed. When the Xbox Series X was released, it caught attention with its impressive hardware, but it didn't fully hit the mark initially due to a lack of exclusive games and the older user interface. However, after several important updates and an expanding game library, it's now a much more powerful platform. First off, the console's 12 teraflop GPU, 4K resolution, and 120 FPS support make games run smoother and look more stunning than ever. With Xbox Velocity architecture and NVMe SSD technology, load times are practically non-existent. You can now dive straight into your games without waiting. Plus, features like Auto HDR and FPS Boost breathe new life into older titles, making them look and feel as if they were made for today's tech. One of the most impressive features of the Xbox Series X is real-time ray tracing. This technology makes lighting and reflections look incredibly realistic, taking the visual experience to a cinematic level. If you're a fan of high-quality graphics, the Xbox Series X won't disappoint. It pushes the boundaries of visual fidelity and offers an immersive experience like no other. On the exclusive game front, Xbox is much stronger now. Games like Halo Infinite, Forza Horizon 5, and Starfield really showcase what this console can do. Not only do these games look amazing, but they also provide a great gaming experience with engaging gameplay. Plus, Xbox Game Pass gives you access to hundreds of games with just one subscription, making it an easy choice for gamers. Xbox also offers backward compatibility, allowing you to play older Xbox games with enhanced graphics. Additionally, the Xbox Series X comes with xCloud, which takes gaming to a whole new level. Thanks to this feature, you can play your games not just on your TV, but also on your mobile devices and PC. Cloud gaming gives you the freedom to play anywhere. anytime, which is a huge advantage for gamers on the go. In conclusion, the Xbox Series X stands out with its powerful hardware, advanced graphics, wide game library, and xCloud support. It's the perfect choice for gamers looking for high performance and rich content. If you want to elevate your gaming experience to the next level, the Xbox Series X is exactly what you're looking for.